Well, that time again. Got to use the old trusty voodoo rope there, pal. Gonna go pick up something for free. Got the shop shackles. You already know what type of gear we gotta bring. Boom. Check it out. Voodoo off-road, ready to roll. Here we go. And here we go. Back at it again. Got the ropes. Got the old truck ready to roll, locked and ready to roll it. Locked and loaded. This time, something's different. We got a midget driving. Shit. I forgot the straps. Gotta get the straps, guys. Gotta hurry up and get the motherfucking straps. All the straps. Yep, got the strap. Got the come along ready to roll. Got the midget ready to roll. Boom. Here we go. Look what we got. Ready to roll. Bam. Got that. Got this. And back later.
Hold up. Right there.
Oh, here.
He's saying I'm gonna get a thing for it.
What is she doing? Doing midget stuff? Shaking your booty? Right.
Yeah, you do?
The birds? Hey, it's a John Deere.
I know. No, there it is.
Nasty.
Looks like a clock.
Alright. Let's move her up. Oh, she moving. She's a moving. Heck yeah.
Should have brought him a little.
Boom. Getting there. She's fucking getting there.
Slowly but surely.
Boom. In any words? Boom. Boom, automatic saber, the Sabes. I'm gonna call this the Sabe. Boom, I already got it loaded, mounted up on the trailer, ready to roll. As you guys can see, boom, got the John Deere trailer. Boom, ready to roll, strapped. Yeah, strapped, ready to roll, ready to go. Boom, check it out. I got a little trailer, little dump trailer. Tell you there, boy. Boom, look at those tires. Yeah, I'm showing them right now. This one's busted because I got a crack in it. This one, I don't know, but it might work. It's automatic. Boom. The Sabes. John Deere. Mine's 24 horsepower though. Mine's a big boy. Yeah, that's a 14.5. Oh, she's getting some juices. She's getting up there, cuz. Oh, we back at it again there, pals, with the old Honda Rancher fucking towing. What we towing? Oh, another lawnmower there, pal. We got another one. You already know. Let me just back her up there, pal. Let me give her the old back her up there, one or two her. Give it a pop, 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 and pop. Jump down. Come over here. She's already looped up, ready to roll right there. This is what we're gonna do this time. Son of a gun. I don't know. We'll be back after these messages. Oh, this is the setup. Got it. Tight, rolled up. Not tied up, but fucking strapped up, ready to roll. Oh, already working. Already working on it. That's a Saber. See that? 14.5 fiber. Ooh. She clean. Tell you there what there, guy. Clean. Hey, that's just a little dust. Collection in the barn.
You have to try the key. I don't think I have a key, dude.
Where'd I put the keys? I don't know why I had to come to this, but D-Wall ain't cutting it. D-Wall ain't taking out this bolt. So guess what? Gotta bust out the big boys. Nope, not the Ryobi. Nope. Everybody already knows what time it is. Time to bring the real tools with a man's job. Boom. Craftsman. Come over here. Craftsman. Real manly tools. Fuck. I'm gonna need that bit. I don't got a bit, but we'll be back after these messages. Alright, technical difficulties. I don't got a bit. Don't got a bit, so you know what? Snap on. Shit. Snap on to save the motherfucking day. Look at that. Boom, the ratchet. The ratchet. We can stick it on that. Let's see. Let me get a good lineup of the video. Let me get a good snap on or the snap on. Put it right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, damn this bitch. just like that there, sonnies. The bolt is fucking free after I just busted my hand. Good old strong fucking power. Power by the hand. Nobody got brute fucking strength like this, son. Snap on is the way to go. Oh, she's a little dirty, I tell you what though, Tom. So we found out the problem. We got a little bad relay switch over there, Tom. Hey, see it over there? It's a bad relay switch. I tell you what, we gotta buy a new relay switch. So that's it for this one, and we're gonna give it a good wash and see what's going on. We'll get back to you there, Tom. Oh, no, that was badass. Spray it up. Spray it upwards.
Spray it up?
Yeah, let it all come down. Oh, never mind.
Do you see it?
No, I was trying to like rain down on this. You know what I'm
really?
saying? Yeah.
It's going through.
Hold on.